It's the lights are blazing away, burning up unnecessary electricity and thousands of pounds, and it's still daylight. And a lot of the bulbs don't work. Look, on the 4th floor there are 3 bulbs in a row that don't work, and then above that there's another 3 more, and then there's one there that doesn't work, and they keep coming out claiming they repair the lights, but they don't. They never repair the lights. It takes 7 weeks for them to come out. You ring them up on the 1st of June and they come out at the end of July. It's incredible. The service you get is 0. There is no service. It's a bankrupt country under the League of Nations, the Bankruptcy Act of 1931. They cannot provide a service, because if they did, they'd all go to prison. The whole of the Lords, Westminster, the Commons, they're completely guilty. Case closed. End of story. It's up to the people. I mean, that's all that's left now. There is no body. It's just the people of England.